Today I'm gonna show you how to make white pasta, halal white pasta in a simple easy step. First we will boil our pasta. In the same pan we will put some oil and we will put some flour, any kind of flour. Then we will give milk. We will put some milk, salt, uh, black pepper. I'm using the liquid kind, and some chili pepper powder. And in the boiled pasta we will put all the mixture into the pasta. You can even put the pasta on the pan, your wish, but I'm trying to use one pan, that's why I'm doing that. Then fresh chili chopped, and in the same pan I'm going to fry some garlic and red chili pepper with butter. And after that I put some more oil. We will fry them until they turn golden brown. This pasta doesn't take more than 5 minutes. And we will put the oil mixture into the pasta. That's it. That's all you need to make this simple pasta. And anyone can make them, especially boys. Easily they can cook this. It's delicious, it's yummy. You can put some uh, sausages or any kind of protein if you want, or vegetables on the side, straight fried. I think it's delicious and very simple to make. Anyone can make it. If you can boil water you can make this. Literally, it's so simple and it's tasty, and I hope you cook it, and if you do, please tag me on my social media. And that's it. Bye, see you on the next video, I guess.